Hello guys, welcome back to Techkibay YouTube channel, the home of technology and money making ideas. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to earn $50 per hour by doing simple tasks. So guys, this might actually sound so funny for some and also good to be true, but this is real. It is real, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you a platform that we're going to be using for us to earn $50 per hour, and that platform is this remotasks.com. This might actually be a new name to most of us, and to some this is what they already know. So if you already know about this platform, good, you're really earning very well and you have a testimony to give. And if you're new and you don't know about this platform, you're going to know about it today, and from today henceforth you're going to be earning money doing online tasks, simple online tasks per hour. So guys, this is my dashboard. I have already started some projects, some tasks. So there's something here. We have annotations and all that. We perform a lot of tasks. Alright guys, so this is my dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard. This is just my new dashboard. So you can see your active project. I can start tasking by clicking the start tasking here, and guys, you can actually see this is the payout. This is the payout, guys. This is the payout. I just joined, and when I joined, it has been long joined, and this was the payout I got. Alright, this is just a simple this account for testing. This is not my real account, guys. So I wanted to use this one to test it, so I can show you guys how this platform actually works. Alright guys, this is it. And whenever you invite your friends, you can see that here. When you refer anyone who earns $20 on remote tasks, you guys will receive $10 bonus each whenever you earn $20. That's for the new referral, guys. So kindly use the link in the description so you can earn $10 bonus, which is withdrawable anytime you need that. In as much as you register through the link in the description, you're gonna receive this $10 bonus whenever you earn $20 on Remo task. So guys, this is it. So if you click on the navigation bar here, you're gonna see the task log. The task log. Alright, you guys can see that it says your payout. That's the payout guide. Your payout is determined by your accuracy and involvement in the task. The amount earned increases as your involvement gets more complex and as you get closer to 100% accuracy. Mass payout is determined by the task type, task complexity, and rules from the instructions. This amount is set when you load a task. No payout is given when a task gets rejected, accuracy is too slow, or your involvement in the task is too low. If you think you received no payout by mistake, visit the support center. Early payout is given for certain projects after a task is fully reviewed. You may receive additional payout for high accuracy. So that is it for the payout, guys. So it's all about how you work and your consistency. You need to be consistent for you to earn money using this platform. And I'll show you guys this platform is very, very effective and legitimate, and you get paid through PayPal or Atrium. That is it, guys. Kindly hit the subscribe button, share and like this video, and don't forget to click the notification button to get my new updates whenever I upload a new video, guys. So that is it, and don't forget to make use of the link in the description so that you can receive a $10 bonus whenever you earn $20 on Remo tax. So guys, Remo tax is actually a legitimate company, and I urge you guys to register. I urge you to register, and take action immediately, and partake in their trainings, and get to know how to perform the task. And by doing so, you earn per hour by completing some projects and some simple tasks, which you will be trained before you start performing the task, or before you start you know before you start to take over any project, or before you start to work on any project. You have to be trained to learn how that particular project works, and what is needed of you or from you to do in order for you to earn with any given project or task. So guys, that is it for today. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.